So hello everyone, how are you all? How are you all doing? I hope all of you are really working very hard for your upcoming CS and examinations. Now this particular question is being saying with the quantum chemistry assignment, calculate the ground state energies of the electron in the electron volt in the case of hydrogen, helium positive, lithium 2 positive and the beryllium 3 positive, right? Now I hope all of you know for the hydrogen or the hydrogen like atom, there is a formula of energy, okay? Hydrogen or the hydrogen like. Now what do you mean by the hydrogen like? Hydrogen like means the outermost orbital must be containing one electron, okay? So the value of outermost orbital must be containing of the one electron. Let's suppose hydrogen में भी क्या है 1s में one electron है. At the same time, if you see for the helium, then also it will be the 1s1 only, helium positive, right? At the same time, lithium 2 positive also will be the one electron. At the same time, beryllium 3 positive also will be the one electron species. So these are all hydrogen like means one electron species. The Z might be different, okay? Now, can you please tell me everyone the Z for this and this? So Z is the atomic number, okay? All of you remember these things. Z is equals to atomic number. Atomic number for the Z for the hydrogen is equals to 1, for the helium that is equals to 2, lithium के लिए 3 and the same time beryllium के लिए 4. Okay, now let's find out the energy value for the hydrogen. So we know the energy value for the hydrogen in the ground state energy in electron volt, okay? In electron. See, unit is very important. So in this particular scenario, what is the unit for this? Minus 13.6 Z square upon N square. So here N is the things that is already present. So for all of the electrons, the value of the N will be the 1 for all of the scenarios, right? Now, can you please find out the energy value of the hydrogen? So this is the value for the, so for hydrogen, this is the formula for it. So for hydrogen, the energy will be is equals to minus 13.6. Z का value कितना होता है hydrogen के लिए 1. So this will be 1 square divided by 1. So the value for this will be minus 13.6 electron volt. For helium positive, this value will be minus 13.6 into Z का value 2 आ जाएगा, right? So where the value of the N is equals to outermost orbital का principal quantum number. Outermost orbital का principal quantum. Principal quantum number. Now since all of the things are having the 1s orbital, so each and every things will be the 1 only, right? The N value will be the 1 only. At the same time, can you please tell me everyone the values of this will be the minus 13.6 into 2, which is nothing but the minus 27.2 electron volt. Now I will be doing for the lithium 3 positive also. The lithium 3 positive will be nothing but the minus 13.6 into 3 ka square by 1. So this value would be the minus 13.6 into 9. Whatever the electron volt will be coming, it will be the answers. Now the answer for the beryllium 3 positive you need to do for yourself, okay? Lithium 2 positive will be beryllium 3 positive. It is the homework. Homework means you need to do as soon as possible, and at the same time please give the correct answer for this particular questions. I am writing the 4 options and you need to select among one of them, right? So minus 44.40 electron volt, option B minus 45.50 electron volt, option C minus 122.40 electron volt, and option D minus 217.60 electron volt. So try to incorporate yourself, okay? Try to incorporate yourself within these particular questions, because in this quantum chemistry assignment we'll be learning a lot of things which will be helping you into the CS and NET examinations for making the really great things, right? So work very hard till you get the JRF. Let's crack CS and NET, and do not forget to like the class and share among your friends, okay? And do all of the assignments what we are doing, okay? And like the classes and work very hard till you get the JRF. Bye everyone, take care.